So how do you pronounce this fraction, let's say, or this abbreviation using numbers? So this means 2 out of 3. So if you divide something by 3, you obtain thirds, okay? 1/3 is 33% of the total, right? Or 33.33, anyhow. So that's to be said 2/3 because you're using 2 of the 3/3 of the total, okay? So 2/3 is how you say it. So you're following a recipe, for example, 2/3 of a pound of flour or sugar or butter, okay? 2/3 is how you read this out, how you pronounce this abbreviation. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.